Napoleon. I know you're hungry. Well, you can get ready for a feast. I don't know how we survived all that horrible food until I decided to do something about my cuisine. We're much better off now, though. And if this marvel does its job, it will get even better. That classist jerk won't hold us back anymore.
Oh man, you still ain't got it. You're still flunking cool. You gotta first feel the music.
I can't understand that, Rosie. How can I feel music?
You gotta make like you're a willowy tree and the music is a breeze and it's blowing you all over the place.
Hi there, fellas.